The Māori Plan. Ensuring sustainable futures. This is an expression of Kaitiakitanga. Mana Whenua and Mataawaka want their cultural well-being future-proofed and the environment to be protected.
I mean, I have two young girls that are ngāti whātua. I have to make sure that these voices are heard for their future, because if it's not heard from them, we don't have nothing for our children.
Ko te whainga matu o te Kaitiakitanga ki au, ko te tiaki, ko te manaki, ko te maimoa i ngā taonga a o tātou tūpuna, nā rātou anō i waiho mai ki a tātou mo a tātou uri whakaheke.
Kaitiakitanga relates to actions that ensure a sustainable future for all people. Underpinning our existence is the need to protect and enhance Māori knowledge and practices, to strengthen whānau, hapu and iwi, to create sustainable futures. The Independent Māori Statutory Board conducted workshops with practitioners and experts to create Māori advancement action plans. Here are some actions that ensure sustainable futures.
Auckland Council to provide support to Mana Whenua to develop iwi management plans. Auckland Council to establish a joint management committee and joint management agreements with Mana Whenua over areas of significance.
Māori arts and culture are a focus area in the Māori Plan.
Auckland Council to develop a strategy and schedule of Māori-focused events and support wānanga for Māori arts and culture. Auckland Council to support the development of an iconic cultural arts centre in Tāmaki Makaurau to promote Māori art and culture locally and internationally.
It must be right, it must be responsible, it must be tika, it must be pono for us to ensure that we leave our community in a better state for our future generations than we acquired it.
To find out more about the Māori Plan or the Independent Māori Statutory Board, visit our website. Te pai me te whairawa o Tāmaki Māori. The Māori Plan, healthy and prosperous Māori in Auckland. Ti he Māori ora.